Usembun bitrang ba kajalame gelia ba perstun tensong labu jingkeli kelayo Dr Mukul sangma ban pynduh pendam ya ka Megalia Regulation Act arajara puai. Ulong ba ka akal dan lupa bat kiora iki rule bat regulation ulong ba ki klam menjur ya ka act bat kani ka jingdawa Dr Mukul kadai tang ban ïohnong saiñpyrthei.
What I'm saying is, I don't know, Mukul that time, why did he scrap them? He was there as chief for 8 years. He should have done it. And now why you realize this? Is it because of your political game? That's what I'm saying. This is not fair. When you are the opposition, you talk so irresponsibly. When you are in the ruling, as if everything is well, everything is fine. But before you talk about yourself first. Ask question yourself. The act was already there. I think not less than 25-30 years back. It's only the rules. So see, the rules is the regulation. So we made the regulation in place. So the act was already there. So you check now. This is not the act that we passed. Not the act. In fact, we bring out the rules and the regulations on the basis of the act.